What if I told you that everything in your life can be changed to good if you watch this one video till the end? Whatever your life looks like right now, the wins, the stress, your messed up relationship, your career, everything that you wish कि थोड़ा सा different होता, everything started with one single thought. Sounds almost too impossible, right? But listen, every single thing you built or broken in your life till now began in your head first. Think about this morning. You woke up, you had a thought like maybe I need to get moving, or maybe it was just 5 more minutes. Either way, that thought turned into an action. And that action, if you repeat it enough times, it becomes a habit. And your habit, they quietly build your character. Your character is what decides where you end up in life. So that's a full circle, right? Thoughts, actions, habit, character, and destiny. It's not very complicated, but most people never stop to see it happening. अगर आज आप अपनी आदतों को बदल नहीं सकते, तो क्या आप अपना भविष्य बदलने के लायक हो? आपकी सोच से जो रास्ता शुरू होता है, वही आपकी मंजिल बन जाती है. Now here's where a lot of people get stuck. They have thoughts, plenty of them, but the thoughts are all about doubt, fear. मैं फेल हो गया तो? What if I'm not good enough? What if it's too late? And यही thoughts हैं जो loop करते हैं every day. Nothing changes. Here's what I want you to hear. You are not your thoughts, but you are responsible for the ones you keep feeding in your head. You can choose differently. I know that sounds like something unrealistic, but I mean it practically. The moment you catch yourself in a negative loop, you have a choice. You can keep going down that road, or you can redirect consciously and on purpose. हम अपनी सोच को बदल सकते हैं. हमें अपनी आदतें बदलनी है. और जब हम सच में यकीन करने लगते हैं कि हम कर सकते हैं, तब हम कर लेते हैं. So let me bring it home. You are the one building your destiny, not your circumstances, not your past, not the people around you passing judgments. You. With every thought that you allowed to stay with yourself, every action you choose to take or to not take. So आज का एक विचार कल आपके पूरी जीवन की दशा तय करता है. इसलिए आज ऐसा कोई थॉट अपने अंदर डालना ही क्यों जो कल का आपका डे खराब करे. Are you ready for that? So here's what I want you to do right now. Don't scroll away. What's the one thing you want to change? Just one. Focus on just one thing. Write it down with a red pen. Write it down and then take the smallest step toward it today. You shift your whole focus on that one particular thing. No other distractions. Achieve it. Do it every day. Just 30 minutes. Put an alarm and consistently do it for 21 days regularly. Manifest it. Use affirmations. Not tomorrow, today. That one step becomes 2. 2 becomes a habit. And before you know it, the life you've been dreaming about, you're actually living it. So start today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Because if you wait for tomorrow, then this thought will vanish away. So if you find this relatable and helpful, share it with someone who needs to hear this and help them. Drop in the comments what's the one thought you're going to start acting on. Affirm it, manifest it. I genuinely want to know and help you in this journey. Let's go.